Sige. Hi. Memorize ko yan. Oh, I'm sorry, I need an interpreter.
这种多起来我就吧，家里我就吧。Kuya mo yan.
Tapos na kami dyan.
Gaya na si Cecil. Video ko ha. Kunyari ganito. Ito yung scenario namin. Talkative customers. Ikaw kunwari. Hi. Ikaw kunwari. Ako to. Hi. 请就走进小账目去。I need an interpreter. O interpreter, 走进账目去，有这这机器。O interpret mo, isahin mo to. Isahin mo, ikaw mo. Susuka na nga ako. Yung interpreter ko, ang tamad. Aray ko. Eh, nahihirapan na naman. Ang seryoso na sa niya.
Ikaw na lang yun.
Dugo ka na mali yata yung napasukan namin. Hilong-hilo na kami. Sabi kakain lang. Kaya kami nagpunta kasi sabi may free lunch daw. Sabi kakain lang. Yung pala dumugo. Nabawasan yung mga dugo namin. English policy dito. There is a call from my customer. I will solve this problem. Okay, the customer. Hi, thank you for calling. My name is Tekla. How may I help you?
I had it with your company. I ordered 2 weeks ago and I still hasn't arrived. Every time I call, I'm told it will be delivered soon. I want my product now or get my money back.
Mute. Ano kaya isasagot ko? Ang dali-dali lang naman ito. Hirap na ito. Nagdudugo. Nagdudugo na ito.
Wala, hindi na kami inaano, hindi pa.
Hi, thank you for calling. My name is Prokofia. How may I help you?
I had it with your company. I ordered 2 weeks ago and still it hasn't arrived at the call time. I told it would be delivered soon, but I want my product or else I want my money back. You understand?
I have a nosebleed, mom.
No, pinakita ko may